Compute the Laspers partially and the Fisher index number for the year 2015 from the data given below. Here you can see the items are given. Quantity for 2014, that would be our Q0, and for the year 2015 will be our Q1. Price for 2014 will be our P0 and 2015 will our P1. So all the informations are ready. Nothing, no units has been given in the calculation, and Laspers, Parsley and Fisher has to be find out. So just take all the information in table, get them multiply and get this information. I'm just going to get it ready. So here the multiplication has been done, as it is the most simple and the easiest question which we are doing from so long. So here the calculation is ready and the total is also ready. Just we have to keep into the formula, that is 4085 divided by 3730 into 100, and here we get 109.52. First calculate this and then multiply by 100 in your calculator as well. For the partially, take the value from the table 4964 into 100, and here we get 110.29. So after getting Laspers and partially, here comes Fisher's. Just keep the value which we have just now find out, 52 into 110.29, get them multiply. Here the answer is 12078.96. Remove the root. Here we get 109.90. Here we complete question number 4. Question number 5. Compute the index number for the year 2015 by total expenditure method and family budget method, and state whether both the index number are same. Items are given, units are given, and here the quantity of 2013 is given and the price of 2013 and price of 2015. So obviously this will be the base here, so declare as a Q0, and price of 2013 as a P0 and a price of 2015 as a P1. As per the formula, remember in total expenditure, whichever formation is given, we have to change our formula. Here they have given only Q0, so here we'll keep Laspers formula. But the most important is this column. Here unit is given, and here you can see quintal, and the information is given in kg and the price. So here we are going to make a changes. We'll change quintal into kg. Here the table is ready. So first I'll write down which is going to be changed. For weight, quintal is going to change by kg. So here the quantity is given in kg. So for this we can take directly quantity 100, which is already given in kg. Next is price. So quintal is 100, kg is equal to 1 quintal. So here we are going to divide with 100. So here the answer is 18 and 24. Here is done with the wheat. Next, check with the rice. Here rice is given 20 kg and we need the 1 kg informations. So here for the quantity, we'll take the quantity as it is 40 kg. In quantity keep 40, and we'll make a changes in the price, like we directly divide by 20, so we'll get the price of 1 kg. So here we get 35, and 800 divided by 20 will be 40. Here done. Next is sugar, which is given in kg only. So here there would be no changes. We'll just write down the quantity first, that is 40, and the price 30 and 36. Moving to the next, sugar. Okay, sugar is done. Oil, again it is given in kg, so we can write down as it is. Like in quantity we'll write down 60, and the price 108 and 120, which we are taking the information in kg. Next is pulses, which is given in 20 kgs. Quantity will write down as it is 40, but remember to make a changes in price. So to make a changes in price, we'll divide with 20, and here we get 100, and 2400 divided by 20 will get 120. Next, ghee, which is given in kg. So as it is, we can write down the information for the 1 kg. The price is in quantity is 36 and the price is 400 and 480. The same I wrote because the here unit is given in kg. So all the information written over here. So after getting it ready, we'll get the calculation for total expenditure method. As quantity of base here is given, here the quantities of base here is given, the formula will be the Laspers formula, that is sigma P1 Q0 and sigma P0 Q0, and only these two columns will be found out of this information. So first let it declare P0, P1 and Q1. For P1 Q0, we'll multiply these two columns, that is 24 multiplied by 100, that is 2400, 40 multiplied by 40, 1600, 36 multiplied by 40, 1440, 120 multiplied by 60, that is 7200, 120 multiplied by 40, 4800, 480 multiplied by 36, that is 117,280. The total is 34720, that is for sigma P1 Q0. Here we found. Next is P0 Q0. So for this two column will get multiplied. 18 multiplied by 100 will be 1800. 35 multiplied by 40 will be 1400. 30 multiplied by 40, that is 1200. 108 multiplied by 60, that is 6480. 100 multiplied by 40 will be 4000, and 400 multiplied by 36 will be 14,400, and here the total is 29280, that is the total of sigma P0 Q0. Take the total into the total expenditure method. Keep the value in the formula, that is 34720 divided by 29280 multiplied by 100. Get them divide, multiply by 100. Here we get 118.58. That is total expenditure method. Now even they ask you for the family budget method. Family budget means sigma IW divided by W. Here I will be found out by getting P1 divided by P0 multiplied by 100. Here we have the P1 column and the P0 column, which we will get divide. So let's start with first. P1 is 24, divide by P0, that is 18, and get it multiplied by 100. Here you will get 133.33. Please do it in your calculator. First take 40, divide by 35 and multiply by 100. Here you will get 114.29. Again from P1 take 36, divide by 30, multiply by 100. You will get 120. Next 120 divided by 108 multiply by 100. The answer will be 111.11. Again next 120 divided by 100 multiply by 100. You will get 120. Next 480 divided by 400 multiply by 100. You will get 120. After getting right for W, remember P0 Q0 will be the column, will become the weight. So we are just going to take it, we already have from the total expenditure method, so we can write it down directly. And also we have the total. Next, now get it multiply 133.33 multiply by 1800 for IW. Here we get 239,994. 114.29 multiply by 1400. Here we get 160006. 120 multiply by 1200 will be 144000. 111.11 multiply by 6480. Here we get 71999.8. 120 multiplied by 4,000, here we get 4,80,000. Next 120 multiplied by 14,400, here we will get 1728000 and get the total, that is 3471992.8. Take the total of IW and also the total of W into the formula of family budget method, that is 3471992.8 divided by 29280, and out of this calculation we get 118.58. So here complete our method. Moving to the next question. Question number 6. The data about index number and weight for a group of item for a living of industrial worker in Ahmedabad city in the year 2014 and 15 are as follow. Find the cost of index number of industrial worker if the wage of worker are increased by 5% in the year 2015 as compared to the year 2014, then is this rise sufficient to compensate the rise in price in the year 2015? So out of this information, first thing they told you to find out is to find the cost of living index number of industrial worker. Next, here the information that if the wage of the worker increased by 5% in the year 2015 as compared to the 2014, is it sufficient or not? That also has to be done. So let's first find out cost of index number out of the information given in the question. So here they have given the group where the goods, fuel and electricity, housing, clothing and the miscellaneous expense are given. Weightage is given, and here the index number of 2014 also given as well as the index number of 2015 also given. So here we have to find out for the both. So let's take all the information in the book. Here all the information are ready. You can see the index number of 2014 is written separately and index number of 2015 is written separately. Here I will declare I. So for first IW I will take out with the 2014 IW. The first one will be get by 31 multiplied by 270. Here we get 8370. Next 14 multiply 168, that is 2352. 205 multiplied by 22, 4510. 174 multiplied by 10 will be 1740. 303 multiplied by 23, that will be 6969. So here we get 23941. IW of 2014. Take this and also take the total of weight, that is 100. So for 2014, you can see cost of index number for the year 2014. I am just going to take the IW of 2014, 23941 divided by total of weight, that is 100, and here I get 239.41. This is the cost of index number for the year 2014. Now let's find out for 2015. Here we'll multiply the index number of 2015 with weight, that is 31 multiplied by 281, we get 8711. Next 178 multiplied by 14, we get 2492. Next 210 multiplied by 22, 4620. 177 multiplied by 10 will be 1770. 337 multiplied by 23, here we get 7751. The total will be 25344. Now we'll remove the cost of index number for 2015. Here sigma IW will be 25344 divided by weight, total of weight, that is 100, and here the answer is 253.44. So after getting cost of index number, even in the question it's told that if the wage of the worker increased by 5% in the year 2015, then is it sufficient to compensate the rise of a price? Let's find out. First let's compare the 2014 and 2015 index number. In 2014 we get 239.41 and in 2015 we get 253.44. If we get the minus, here we found that there is an increase in 14.3 percentage. So let's find out the percentage. Here, as per the information, in year 2014, index number was 239.41, where it shows the increase of 14.03 percentage in the year 2015. If I take it with the 100%, why 100%? Because here we are finding that is it increase in 5%, हम percentage ढूंढ रहे हैं, तो उसके comparison में we have to keep the 100 percentage. What will be the percentage? This is how you have to keep your cross multiplication. I am repeating again. Here for the year 2014, here cost of index number is 239.41, where we can see the increase in 14.03 percentage in the year 2015. Out of 100%, how much percentage has been increased? Let's take it into the cross multiplication. That is 100 multiplied by 14.03 divided by 239.41. Let's find out. Here we got 5.86 percentage. Means it is insufficient. The question asks that if it is an increase in 5%, but we saw the expenses is going to be rise by 5.86 percentage. So increment of 5% will not be sufficient. So we can declare it as an insufficient. And you just can copy out the sentence from the question. Moving to the next question. Question number 7. The following data are given about the index number and weight for the item of living of industrial worker in the city in the year 2014. Find the cost of living index number of industrial worker if the average monthly salary paid to this worker in the year 2012 was 6,000. What should be the monthly salary in the current year 2014 to maintain same standard of living? So now here the group is given and price index of 2014 as per the base year 2012, that is I. As you can see, the weight is given. So let's take all the information in table. So here I took all the information in table where I kept the group, index number of 2014, which will be I, weight, and here we are going to find out IW by getting it multiply 250, that is price index number of 2014 with weight. So let's start. 255 multiplied by 42. Here we get 107.10. 174 multiplied by 8. 1392. 234 multiplied by 12. Here we get 2808. 153 multiplied by 18. That is 2754. 274 multiplied by 20. Here we get 5480. Get the total 23144, and here the total of weight is 100. After getting it, take them to the formula, that is 23144, and the total of weight is 100, and here we get 231. Now the other given information in the question, that is if the average monthly salary paid to worker in the year 2012 was 6,000, what should be the monthly salary in current year 2014 to maintain a same standard of living? So here we'll take base year, that is 2012, where the index number as usual we assume 100, where the salary will be 6,000. Same, if in the current year 2014, index number just now we found 231.44, what will be the salary? Get into the cross multiplication. 231.44 multiplied by 6,000 divide by 100. Here we get 13886.4. This is how we'll find out. Moving to the next question. Question number 8. The data about the industrial production quantity and weight for the year 2015 are given below. Compute the index number of industrial production and interpret it. Now here in the information given, industries, unit, production from the year 2013 and production from the 2015. So here we can say this is our P0 and this one is P1. And the weight is already given in the question. So just take the information in your notebook. Here is the question number 8. All the information I wrote over here. Industries, unit, and the production of 2013, which will be declared as a base year, and 2015, that is P1, which will be declared as a current year. Out of these two, we'll find out I, and weight is already given in the question. So first we'll find out I. P1, that is 15, P0 10, multiply by 100, here we get 150. Next, current year 25, base year 20, multiply by 100, that is 125. Current year 25, base year 30 into 100, that is 83.33. Next, 50, current year, base year 40, multiply by 100, here we get 125. Current year 60, base year 50 into 100, and the answer is 120. The weight which is given in the question, I'm just going to write down the same, that is 4, 6, 30, 3 and 4, and the total of this is 47. Next, for the IW, we'll multiply the I column with W, that is 150 multiplied by 4, here we get 600. 125 multiplied by 6, that is 750. 83.33 multiplied by 30, here we get 24. In your calculator you will get 2499.9. So this will be declared as a 2500. Next, 125 multiplied by 3, you will get 375. 120 multiplied by 4, here we get 480. The total will be 4705. Now take the value in formula. Here you can see index number of industrial production. Here sigma IW is 4705. Divide with the total of weight, that is sigma W, and the answer will be 100.10. Now in the question they also told you to interpret it. For the interpretation, take 100 minus 100.10, will get 0.10% increase in current year as compared to base year. That is 2013, and the current year was 2015. Next, question number 9. The data about per unit price and weight of 4 different items in the year 2014 and 2015 are as follow. Compute the index number for the year 2015. Here the information is given. Items are given. There are 4 items. Weight is given, and price per unit of 2014 and price per unit for the year 2015. So here we can declare it as a P0, that's a base year, and P1 as a current year. Take this information in table. Obviously weight is given, a ready weight is ready. So here we will find out only I. So again we'll take P1 as a current year and base year 32 multiplied by 100, and here we get the answer 125. Same over here, 100 divided by 80 multiplied by 100 will get 125. Take the next 30 divided by 24 multiplied by 100, that you can do in your calculator, that is again 125. 6 divided by 4 multiplied by 100, the answer is 150. So here the column I is ready and W is already given. So 40 multiplied by 125, it will be 5000 in IW. Next, 25 multiplied by 125, that is 3125. 20 multiplied by 125, that is 2500. 15 multiplied by 150, here we get 2250. The total of this column will be 12875, and the total of weight is 100. Out of this, here they told you to find out index number for the year 2015. Formula will be sigma IW divided by sigma W. Just take the total of IW, that would be sigma IW, divide with the W. Here we get answer 128.75. Moving to the last question. Question number 10. The index number of food and clothing among the different group of cost of living are 150 and 224.5 respectively for the year 2015. The price of a fuel has increased by 220%. The expense on rent has increased from 4,000 to 6,000 and the miscellaneous expenses increased by 1.75 times. If the expenditure for the first four group is 40, 18, 12 and 20 respectively, find the cost of living index number for the year 2015 and interpret it. First, make a highlight that how many expenses has been given. Now, how many group? Here I have already marked food, clothing, fuel, rent and miscellaneous expense. Take them into the group column. Here you can see the table is ready. Next, out of this information it is written that food, clothing among different group of cost of living index are 150 and 224.5. Now here they are giving cost of index number. So put the second column for the index number. For food and clothing it is given 150 and 224.7 respectively for the year 2015. Price of fuel has increased by 220%. So 100 plus 220, right? Because it has been increased by 220. Matlab 100 plus 220 it has been increased. So here it would be increased by 320% in the index number for the fuel. Next, the expenses on rent has increased from 4,000 to 6,000. So let's see. 4,000 to 6,000. 4,000 का था price rent का. Take it as 100%. If it has been increased by 6,000, how many percentage? Make a cross multiplication. 6,000 multiplied by 100 divide by 4,000 and you will get 150. So this will be the index number for the rent, that is 150. Next, and miscellaneous expense increased by 1.75 times. Remember times, that time we have to make a multiplication. 1.75 multiplied by 100 means 175 has been increased. So plus 100 it would be 275. So this will be the index number for miscellaneous expense, that is 275. Next, if the expenses for the first four group, that is 40, 18, 12 and 20%, and here they are telling to find out cost of index number for the year 2015 and then interpret it. So let's write down for the first four group, that is 40, 18, 12 and 20. Here percentage of expenses which will be declared as a weight 40, 18, 12, 20. After taking it the percentage, get them total 40 plus 18 plus 12 plus 20. You will get the expenses are 90 out of 100. So the remaining balance will be 10 for the miscellaneous expenses for the weighted. This is how you have to find out. आपको इन चार के ही weight दिए गए हैं क्वेश्चन में. इन चारों को अगर आप ऐड करते तो you will get 90. तो 100 में से 90 माइनस किया तो बैलेंस विल बी फॉर द मिसलेनियस एक्सपेंस. सो वेट इज 100. Now here we are ready with the I information as well as the W. Get them multiply. 150 multiplied by 40 we will get 6,000. 224.7 multiplied by 18 that is 4044.6. 320 multiplied by 12 that is 3840. 150 multiplied by 20 that is 3,000. 275 multiplied by 10 that is 2750. Get the total 19,634.6. After getting the total, take them into the formula. 19,634.6 divide by 100. Here you get the answer 196.35. Even in the question they ask you for the interpretation. For the interpretation, take 196.35 minus 100. We get 96.35% increase in current year as compare to base here. Here we complete the last question of the exercise F. See you in the next chapter.